Guys, how are you today? My name is Luis with 777 channel here. Today I want to show you the tires that I'm going to replace on my Silverado. These are the Firestone Transforce AT2. And I don't know how long they've been on this truck. I just got this truck. I just bought it, I don't know, like 2 months ago. I bought it on an auction at the Ritchie Brothers auction site. And what happened was that I got a flat like 2 weeks ago. And so between fixing that flat and deciding on new tires, I said, you know what, I'm just gonna order some new tires. And the tires are finally here at Walmart. They're the HANKOOK all-terrains. I'm gonna show them to you when they're installed. But this is the one that got the flat right here. And the tires look okay, as you can see here. The tread's still alright, especially the ones on the front. They really have really good tread. Although the tires do seem a little dried up. You know, they have those little cracks right here all around. So it's a matter of just not trusting the tires anymore, even though they're Firestone and everything. But I don't know how long they've been there, and you know, after a few years, the tires are not really that great. And I don't do a lot of off-road driving. This is a 4x4, by the way, but I do haul water, you know, to Pahrump, from Las Vegas to Pahrump regularly. It's not super heavy, but you know, I want to be able to eventually do some off-roading and, you know, mud or snow when it's snow up there in the mountain in the winter here. So anyhow, I'm gonna go in right now and I'm gonna show you after the new tires are installed. And I'll give you my first impressions. All right, stay tuned. And all right, guys, so I guess noise myth dispelled. They're not noisy at all. I did 70 on the highway without the AC on, so I could hear all the humming and anything coming out of the tires, and there's really nothing except your normal, you know, driving conditions, but no noise, no extra noise, not at all. They feel great. You can feel the truck, you know, firmer, more traction, better braking, you know, just the general feel of a new tire. They do seem to be a bit softer than the Firestones, yeah. So I noticed I hit a couple potholes on the way back, and you can feel it on the noise they make. So they're a little softer. That's okay. I mean, it's more traction. I hope they last a good many miles. I'll keep you posted. If you like this video, you know, if you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, share it. If you like this video, I'll post an update around 1,000 miles. I don't put that many miles on this truck, but You know, when I'm about 1,000 miles on these tires, I'll put I'll update. This is what I paid for installation, 135 including an oil change. The tires were $134 plus tax each, so all in all about 700 bucks for the whole thing, including the oil change. So that's a great deal at your local Walmart. You know, they're on sale right now. All right, guys, thanks for watching.